Hello, hi, good morning, guys, and I hope you all are doing well. And I'm Robbins. Basically, I'm teaching, UK curriculum from last 6 years, and now it's time, that our team and me both want to wish you best of luck for your exams, and hope this month is a very, it goes very smooth with all of you. And I understand it's very tiresome, because this is exam month, and then a lot of you are, having different mindsets. So basically, I just want to say something on behalf of your exams, and I want to just give you some small tips for your exams, which can actually help you. So thank you so much. Let's continue with this, and let's see what I want to actually discuss about. So you see, your GCSE exams and A-level exam is coming up, and then you have content is definitely a point, but there are other things which you should focus on, like the mindset which we should have, what we should do, how we should actually attempt the paper, and all those things are important for your exam. So when you say about how much of some things are required, so let's talk about those things that I feel personally is, in my opinion, is very important for your for any exam, when you want to qualify or do well in that. So basically, see, when you are talking about any exam, then study, some people might get a fear of that thing. So that fear is very a dangerous thing for kids. So I will request you all to to avoid fear, and if it is coming inside you that you're having exam phobia or something like that, you should kill that. So you should not be afraid of exams. Focus, go and face it. Anyhow, you have to face it. So just face it and give your best. That is the thing which I'm trying to tell you. So don't get afraid of the exams. Then you have, you should be keeping your health good. So you should sleep well, and do not, over like overdo things, and make your brain and your body get fatigue or some, like, no, you should not be like that. So you should be sleeping well, sleep 8 to 7 hours basically, and be calm, take rest, be calm. Whatever has to happen, that will happen, but you should be calm and you should give your best. Again, giving your best shot is important. Third is revise. So you have topics, we have a lot of topics. Some topics are difficult, some are easy. Go and revise everything that you think that has some trouble questions, or some questions which are difficult. So you can revise those questions and take some difficult questions, because difficult questions has many concepts. So if you revise one of the question, it can help you revise 3 4 chapters, or maybe 3 4 concepts, depending on what kind of question it is. But I will definitely tell you to revise the whole thing, and you can make small notes where you can revise things, and do the difficult questions as well. Practice them, the 6 marks questions and all those things, in science specifically. And in maths, you always practice vectors, which is very important. You practice quadratic equation, which is important. Then you have 3D and Pythagoras, and sine rule and cosine rule. These 4 topics is very important. You should focus on these 4 topics and revise well, because these questions will be like 4 or 5 marks, and the questions are definitely sometimes tricky also. So if you know the concepts, you can very easily attempt them. And the last thing is, fourth point is attempt the paper. So you should not worry about other things during your exams. While you're writing your exam, you focus on attempting 100% of the question paper. Okay, first you attempt all those questions which 100%, or maybe you are comfortable with, and then come back to those questions which are difficult, or which you think it takes a lot of time. But give your best shot, saying that you will try to attempt for 100%. Do not leave any question blank. If you are not, like, well, well, sure about the answer, then even if you know some of the concepts, you can relate to that. Because if you see the mark scheme, there is no one particular answer for every question. There can be 3 4 points. So I don't know if that points hits the question, and then you can get marks from there as well. So try to attempt the whole paper, and do not leave anything blank. And the last point, when you're attempting the paper, you should check out the marks of the question and write that many points at least. So if it's a 6 marks question, at least write 6 points. And if it is 2 marks, you break your same answer into 2 points and write that, but write 2 points for 2 marks. you should not leave 1 point for 2 marks question, or 3 points for 4 marks. Then definitely you're losing 1 marks. So all those things needs to be taken care of. And again, I'm saying, if you know the concept, you write about it, you write the formula, you write the uh, calculation. If there is a numerical question, you write the formula and everything, that fetches you extra marks. So basically you get marks for your intentions also. It's not only that you're getting to the right answer. So if your intentions are very clear about the question, and you wanted to solve it, even if you made slight mistake or silly mistakes sometimes, you will get definitely some marks from the examiner's body. So and you look at the marking schemes, you practice past papers during these things, specifically for GCSE kids, or you can see the examiner's report if it is available. Like for OCR, it is available. Check for others as well. If you get examiner's report, see how the examiner is writing about a particular answer, what he's commenting, and then you can also set your mind like, okay, I should write like this. So do not worry about anything now. Be prepared and just give your best shot, and attempt the paper wisely, sleep well, and do not think what will happen, and never come back from the school and try to look at the what has happened. Look for the next paper, go with the next day examination preparation, and do not worry about what has happened already. That has happened, so you cannot change that. So you have to go further, and you have to actually uh, uh, prepare for the next one. So that's very important. So that is what I wanted to tell you, and these are very quick, tips that I wanted to say. But I'm not giving any example or any, animation or anything. So just focus on yourself. It is yourself who will be performing. It's no one else that can help you in the exam. So you have to have your clear mindset and go and attempt the question and do well. Hope you got 9 and A stars to all my kids and to all of you as well. And I will see you in A level. Okay. I hope so that everybody will continue with me in A levels as well. So basically, yeah. So thank you so much and best wishes, and hope you do very, very well. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.